How does all of this come to life? Every Fendt combine is the result of innovation, passion, and a vision focused on transforming agriculture. By combining tradition with cutting-edge technology, we create solutions designed to overcome the challenges of everyday work. Fendt combines are created here at Breganze operation, part of Italian industrial excellence. We are deeply committed to the well-being of its employees. We foster a work environment that values collaboration, safety, and personal growth. We believe that technological excellence is not just about what we can create, it's about what our farmers need. We demonstrate reliability and durability through rigorous testing and validation. Every detail is crafted to enhance efficiency, productivity, and sustainability. And our machines are built on a strong quality culture. Quality controls are encouraged during the manufacturing stages to ensure every product meets the highest standards. This commitment to quality is reflected in our advanced paint shop, which features e-coat and powder coating technology to provide exceptional corrosion resistance, ultimately delivering long-lasting value to our customers. Our logistics use advanced technology and automatic systems to enhance efficiency. Our lean production philosophy focuses on continuous improvement, ensuring that we consistently deliver high-quality products and services. We are not just a company. We are the partner that supports you every step of the way for a better agricultural future. We aim to be your partner today and for the generations to come.